Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Winisok 17-inch water meter key, which we believe is the best water main shutoff tool you can find. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is built to handle tough tasks with ease. It's designed to simplify the process of turning off water meters, curb main valves, and underground stop valves. This water meter key is made from heavy-duty, reinforced steel with a durable, rust-resistant coating. The 17-inch length provides you with extra reach and leverage, making it easier to operate in tight spaces. The 3/4-inch key opening ensures it's compatible with most standard water valves. And the extended length gives you a powerful advantage, whether you're working in a cramped utility box or dealing with tough, corroded valves. What really sets this tool apart is its T-handle design. The handle is coated in non-slip vinyl, giving you a firm and comfortable grip while you work. This ergonomic design allows you to turn valves with minimal effort, saving you time and energy. And if you're worried about durability, don't be. This water meter key is built to last. With reinforced steel and welding points, it's designed to withstand even the harshest conditions. Another fantastic feature of this tool is its versatility. It comes with a 4-way multi-functional utility key, which makes it perfect for more than just water meters. This key is useful for a variety of applications, including gas, electric meters, and even cabinets and elevators. So whether you're opening a utility box or needing to shut off a gas valve, this tool has got you covered. What's more, the package includes the water meter key and utility key, along with a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Winisok offers excellent customer support, ensuring that your purchase will be worry-free for years to come. In conclusion, the Winisok 17-inch water meter key with 4-way multi-functional utility key is a must-have tool for anyone dealing with water shut-offs. Its sturdy construction, ergonomic design, and versatility make it a top choice for professionals and homeowners alike. So, if you want a reliable tool that will get the job done quickly and efficiently, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the best tools available.